Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a protein smoothie. First, gather your ingredients. You'll need a good protein powder, a liquid base such as water or milk, and your choice of fruits and vegetables. This combination ensures you get a balanced and nutritious drink. Making a protein smoothie is a simple and effective way to boost your daily protein intake and support your fitness goals. For a standard serving, start with 1 scoop of your preferred protein powder, which usually provides 20 to 30 grams of protein. Next, add 1 cup of your chosen liquid base. For thickness and a cold temperature, incorporate 1/2 to 1 cup of frozen fruit, like berries or bananas. These ratios create a well-balanced and delicious protein-packed beverage. Once all your ingredients are in the blender, secure the lid and blend on high until the mixture is completely smooth, which typically takes 30 to 60 seconds. If your smoothie is too thick, add a splash more liquid. For a thinner consistency, a few ice cubes work wonders. Feel free to customize with a dash of cinnamon or a natural sweetener for extra flavor. Your delicious and nutritious protein smoothie is now ready to enjoy. For the best taste and nutrient absorption, try to drink it soon after blending. Remember to clean your blender right away to make cleanup quick and easy. Also, staying hydrated throughout the day is crucial for overall health. For a fantastic way to keep your water intake up, check out the link in the description for some great deals on water bottles and other helpful products.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.